Hi students, have to discussing period and periodicity. Period and periodicity. Example 0.4 bar, 0.52 bar, 1.3253 bar. Here period means the set of digits which repeats in non-terminating decimal is called period. The set of digits which repeats the non-terminating recurring decimals is called period. Here period repeating value 4 is a period. Period equal to 4. Next, periodicity. The number of digits of a period, in a period, non-terminating recurring decimals is called periodicity. Here, barring values, number of digits is 1. Periodicity equal to 1. Here repeating value 52, repeated value 52, period equal to 52. Periodicity number of digits 2 digits, 2. Periodicity is 2. Here period equal to barring values 1, 2, 3 అంటే 253. Periodicity equal to number of digits 1, 2, 3. Periodicity is 3. Next one. Converting of a decimal form into rational number. డెసిమల్ ఫామ్ని రేషనల్ నెంబర్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 0.2 ఈక్వల్ టు 2/10. 1 time 5 times equal to 1/5. 1/5. Next 1.2. 1.2 equal to 12/10. 6 times 5 times equal to 6/5. Next 2.35. 2.3 equal 5 equal to 235 by 2 digits point by 100. 1 digit by 10, 2 digits by 100. 5 table 5 4s are 20, 7s are 35. Next 5 table 20 times equal to 47/20. 47/20. One 23.171 equal to 23,171 by 3 digits point by 1000. Next one most important next one model. Next converting a non-terminating recurring decimal into rational form. converting a terminating decimal into rational form. Example 0.54. Example 0.54 bar. 0.54 bar. 0.54 bar is a non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal into rational form. అంటే 0.54ని p by q ఫామ్లో చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. p by q ఫామ్లో చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఫస్ట్ వన్ సొల్యూషన్ పార్ట్ let x equal to 0.54 bar. Let x equal to 0.54 bar. That equal to x equal to 0.54, 54, 54, 54. Here repeated value is 54. Here repeated value is 54. And 54 equal is a period number of repeated values. Number of repeated values is 2. 2 is a periodicity. Here periodicity is 2. ఇక్కడ periodicity 2 కాబట్టి మనం 2 ఉండేటప్పుడు బోత్ సైడ్స్ కూడా 100తో మల్టిప్లై చేసేయాలి. ఇన్ కేసు periodicity 1 ఉంటే 10తో, ఇన్ కేసు periodicity 3 ఉంటే 100తో మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోవాలి బోత్ సైడ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1ని. ఓకేనా? మల్టిప్లయింగ్ on both sides equation 1 by 100. Multiplication on both sides by 100. That equal to 100 into x equal to 100 into 0.54, 54, 54, 54 and so on. That equal to 100x equal to 54.54, 54, 54 and so on. Equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 2 నుండి equation 1 ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అంటే 100x ఈక్వల్ టు 54.54, 54, 54, 54 and so on. Next x ఈక్వల్ టు 0.54, 54, 54, 54 and so on. Subtraction 55,440,550,000.54 equal to 99x. After zeros cancel. 99x equal to 54. X equal to 54 by 99. X equal to 54 by 99. 3 table 1 time 24 8 times. 33 times. 33 times. Again 3 table 9 times. Nine table 11 times equal to 6 by 11. 9 table 54 6 times. ఇది 99 11 times equal to 6 by 11. 6 by 11. Next one, shortcut. 0.54 equal to 54 bar equal to shortcut 54 minus 0 మనకి periodicity 2 values కాబట్టి by 99. Periodicity 2 equal to 99 equal to 54 by 99. 54/99. Next, another example. Example 11. Important one. 15.732. 15.732. 32 bar. 32 bar. Let x equal to 15.732 bar. X equal to 15.7. Here repeated value. Here repeated value is 32. 32, 32, 32, 32 and so on. Let equation 1. Next, here periodicity is 2. Here periodicity is 2. Now multiplied multiplying equation 1 on both sides by 100, on both sides by 100 equal to 100 into x equal to 100 into 15.732, 32, 32 and so on equal to 100x equal to 1573.23, 23, 23 and so on. Equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 2 నుండి equation 1 ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 100x equal to 1573.23, 23, 23 and so on. Next equation 1, x equal to 15.732, 32, 32 and so on. Subtraction 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next 12, 5.2, 12 నుంచి 5 తీస్తే 7, 5, 1, 5 equal to 99x equal to 99x equal to 1557.5, that equal to x equal to 57.5 by 99. Here numerator part is also decimal form. Decimal form into rational form to multiply numerator and denominator 10 by 10. X equal to 75 by 990 is a rational form, P by Q form. Therefore, the answer is x equal to 15,575 by 990. Shortcut 15.732 equal to 32 bar equal to first one as it is number రాసుకోవాలి 15,732 minus without borrowing number 157 తో సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి బై borrowing values అంటే periodicity 2 కాబట్టి 99 after decimal point without borrowing number 7 1 digit కాబట్టి 0 equal to 15575 by 990 this is shortcut. Most important model. Next one. Again explain. First, let x equal to 15.732. Let x equal to 15.732 bar. 32 bar. 32 bar is a repeated value. 32 is a repeated value. X equal to 15.7, 32, 32, 32, 32 and so on. Let equation 1. Next, here periodicity 32 and 2 digits is a 2. Periodicity is a 2. Periodicity 2 కాబట్టి both sides కూడా 100తో మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోవాలి. మల్టిప్లైయింగ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 on both side by 100. అంటే 100 into x equal to 100 into 15.7323232 and so on. ఇక్కడ 100తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు డిజిట్ అనేది రైట్ సైడ్ 2 డిజిట్స్కి రైట్ సైడ్ 2 నెంబర్స్కి పాయింట్ అనేది జంప్ అవుతుంది. అంటే 100x ఈక్వల్ టు 1573.2323 and so on. నెక్స్ట్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ ఈక్వేషను 1 from 2 నుండి ఈక్వేషన్ 1ని మనం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అంటే 100x ఈక్వల్ టు 1573.232323 and so on. ఈక్వేషన్ 1 x ఈక్వల్ టు 15.7323232 and so on. అది సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 99x ఈక్వల్ టు 57.5. therefore x ఈక్వల్ టు 1557.5 by 99. ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ అనేది క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వకుండా 10/10 చేశారు. 10/10 చేసినప్పుడు 15 మల్టిప్లికేషన్ 1557.5 multiplied by 10 is 15,575 by 99 into 100 equal to 990. Next, exercise sums. Exercise sums. Divide fourth one. Exercise 1.3. Divide the sum of minus 13/5 and 12/7 by the product of minus 13/7 and minus 1/2. Minus 1/2. Divide the sum of minus 13/5 and 12/7 by the product of minus 13/7 and minus 1/2. అంటే దీని మీనింగ్ డివైడ్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ 13/7 and 12/7. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ 13/5 and minus 1/2. ఆఫ్టర్ డివైడ్ ద సమ్ అండ్ ద ప్రోడక్ట్. డివైడ్ ద సమ్ బై ద ప్రోడక్ట్. ఫస్ట్ ఈ రెండింటి సమ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి రెండింటి ప్రోడక్ట్ ఫైండ్ చేసి వచ్చిన సమ్ని ప్రోడక్ట్తో డివిజన్ చేసుకోవాలి. సొల్యూషన్ the sum of minus 13/5 and 12/7 that equal to minus 13/5 plus 12/7 that equal to LCM of 5 and 7. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. The multiplied 7 and minus 13 is minus 91 plus 5 multiplied by 12 is 60. Minus 91 plus 60 is minus 31/35. Minus 31/35. Next one, the product of minus 13/7 and minus 1/2. The product of minus 13/7 and minus 1/2 that equal to minus 13/7 into minus 1/2. The multiplication of minus and minus is plus 13 into 1 13 by 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. By problem divide the sum and the sum by product. Divide the sum minus 31/35 is divided by 13/14 equal to minus 13 by 31 by 35 multiplied. What is the reciprocal of 13 by 14? What is the reciprocal of 13 by 14? The reciprocal of 13 by 14 is 14 by 13. 7 table 2 times 5 times, that equal to plus into minus minus 13 2s are 62 by 13 5s are 65. Therefore, the answer is minus 62 by 65. The answer is minus 62 by 65. Next, fifth sum. If 2 by 5 of a number, 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of the number, 1 by 7 of the number by 36. Find the number. Find the number. If 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of the number by 36, అంటే ఒక నెంబర్లో 2 by 5th పార్ట్ అనేది 1 by 7th పార్ట్, అదే నెంబర్లో 1 by 7th పార్ట్ మధ్య డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది 36 అంట. ఒక నెంబర్లో 2 by 5th పార్ట్ అనేకు 1 by 7th అదే నెంబర్లో 1 by 7th పార్ట్ మధ్య డిఫరెన్స్ 36 అయింది. అయితే ఫైండ్ ద నెంబర్. అయితే ఆ నెంబర్ ఏంటో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సొల్యూషన్. Let the number equal to x. Let the number equal to x. 2 by 5th of the number. 2 by 5th of the number. 2 by 5th of the number equal to 2 by 5 into x equal to 2x by 5. Next one. 1 by 7th of the number equal to 1 by 7 into x equal to x by 7. 1 into x by 7 by problem. Problem నుంచి 2 by 5th of the number exceeds 1 by 7 of the number by 36. అంటే 2x by 5 minus x by 7 equal to 36. LCM of 5 and 7. The LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. 7 multiplied by 2x will becomes 14x minus 5 multiplied by x is 5x equal to 36. 14x minus 5x will becomes 9x by 35 equal to 36. Next, by 1 cross multiplication. 1 multiplied by 9x. 1 multiplied by 9x equal to 9x equal to 36 into 35. That equal to x equal to 36 into 35 by multiplication part ఈ సైడ్ వస్తే డివిజన్ పార్ట్ బై 9 టేబుల్ 1 టైము 4 టైమ్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు x ఈక్వల్ టు 435 ఆర్ 140. 435 ఆర్ 140. Therefore, the required number x equal to 140. The required number x equal to 140. Answer is 140. Answer is 140. Next one. What number? 9th one. what number should minus 33 by 16 be divided to get minus 11 by 4. Minus 11 by 4. What number should minus 33 by 16 be divided to get minus 11 by 4? అంటే ఇక్కడ మన ఏ నెంబర్తో మనం -33/16 డివిజన్ చేస్తే మనకి రిజల్ట్ అనేది -11/4 వస్తుంది అన్నాడు. ఆ నెంబర్ ఏంటో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. లెట్ ద నెంబర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ బై ప్రాబ్లం -33/16 డివైడెడ్ బై ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు -11/4 ఈక్వల్ టు -13/16 multiplied the reciprocal of x by 1 equal to 1 by x equal to -11/4. That equal to 1 by x equal to -11/4 into the reciprocal of -13/16 equal to -16/13. -16/13. 4 table 1 time 4 times. That equal to 1 by x equal to minus of minus plus 11 4s are 44/13. 44/13. That implies x equal to the reciprocal of 13/44 is 44/13 is 13/44. Therefore, the required number x equal to 13/44. The answer is 13/44. Sorry, 33. That equal to 1 by x equal to -11/4 into -16/33. 11 table 1 time, 11 table 3 times, 4 table 1 time, 4 table 4 times, equal to 1 by x equal to minus of minus plus 1 4s are 4/1 3s are 3. That implies x equal to 3/4. The answer is 3/4. The answer is 3/4. First, the required number is, let the required number is x by problem. Problem నుంచి మన ఈ నెంబర్ని ఎక్స్తో డివిజన్ చేస్తే మన రిజల్ట్ -11/4 వచ్చే రిజల్ట్ ఏంటి -11/4 -33/16 into 1 by x. The 33/16 multiplied the reciprocal of x by 1 equal to 1 by x equal to -11/4. 1 by x equal to -11/4 into the reciprocal of -33/16 is -16/33. 4 table 1 time, 4 table 4 times, 11 table 1 time, 11 table 3 times. 1 by x equal to 1 minus of minus plus 1 4s are 4/1 3s are 3. Therefore, x equal to reciprocal 4/3 reciprocal 3/4. The answer is 3/4. Is a required number. Is a required number. Let us continue this session in next class. Thank you.